Hi there. Today, I'm going to show you how to use PsycINFO Research Services APA Author Mapper. First, you'll go to psycinfo.apa.org. You'll navigate down to this box here that says Discover APA PsycINFO and click Books. Next, you'll scroll down to Browse All Books, and you'll insert the title of the book that you would like to research. For purposes of this video, we will use the APA Handbook of Trauma Psychology. Click Search. Click on the title of the book that you'd like to explore. Then, in the right side, you'll see Author Mapper. As you can see here, there's quite a web coming out of the author Stephen Gould's name. These are all authors that have a connection to Stephen Gould within APA PsycINFO. If you select an author bubble, for instance, Jeffrey Kibler, you'll see that he has 21 publications in PsycINFO and 245 citations in PsycINFO. He's connected to Stephen Gould as well as others like Lydia Malcolm and Jean Beckham. And you can consequently see that Jean Beckham has 196 publications in PsycINFO and 3,355 citations in PsycINFO. And she's connected to even other authors, some of which that Jeffrey Kibler are not connected to. You can even come over to other bubbles on other sides. They all show different relationships between different authors and their publications. And that's how you do it. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please contact the library. Thanks.